In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch Gmail to a darker, easier on the eyes look in your web browser, plus a few tips for mobile behavior so you know what to expect. Start by opening Gmail in your preferred browser and signing in to your account. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it, then choose the option that says See All Settings. This takes you to Gmail's full settings area where you can change layout, shortcuts, and, most importantly for today, the theme. You'll land on the General tab by default. Scroll down until you reach the Theme section. Here you'll see three key choices: Default, Dark, and Light. Default is designed to follow your device or operating system theme when supported, so if your computer is set to dark mode, Gmail can mirror that automatically. Dark forces Gmail to use a dark interface all the time, no matter what your system is doing. Light keeps things bright and clean, again regardless of your system theme. To enable dark mode immediately, select Dark. After choosing your theme, scroll to the bottom. If you see a Save Changes button, click it to lock in the setting. In some layouts, changes apply instantly, and you won't see a Save button, but it's always a good habit to check. Next, give your inbox a quick refresh. When the page reloads, the entire Gmail interface, your inbox, message list, and compose window should now appear in the dark theme. If you don't see the theme options or dark isn't available, there are a couple of things to try. Make sure your browser is up to date, since older versions can block newer interface features. It also helps to ensure Gmail itself isn't running in an older or basic HTML view. Finally, temporarily disable any browser extensions, especially those that alter page styles or block scripts, as they can interfere with Gmail's theme controls. A quick note for mobile users. On Android 10 and newer or iOS 13 and newer, Gmail often follows your phone's system-wide dark mode automatically. That means when your device switches to dark, Gmail usually will too. On desktop, however, Gmail's dark theme is independent of your operating system, so you can turn it on in Gmail even if your computer stays in light mode, or use default to mirror your system. That's all you need to enable dark mode in Gmail. Enjoy the more comfortable viewing experience, especially at night.